Hello everyone, this is Cathy from Durmapress. Today I will show you our Durmapress factory. Hi Nick.
Oh, hi, Cathy.
How are you?
Just working.
Okay. Many customers ask me some questions, and yes, there are 3 questions they want to know. The first, compared with other suppliers, what is Durmapress advantage? Can you show us?
And okay, Cathy, it's a good question. And what advantage we have compared with the other suppliers? And look at this. This is oil cylinder. It's a very important part of our machine. And our oil cylinder it comes from a very famous brand named Heyan in Shanghai, in China. And the second advantage we have, just look at this. Look at the sinkings, and we are more durable and reliable than the other suppliers. It can make your equipment works more longer than the others. Our third advantage is our CNC electric box. And look at her, how beautiful she is. And we have Schneider's electric control system and Eastern servo control. And this machine have the 8+1 axis control system.
Can you show us your delivery package?
Okay, Cathy, you're very lucky. Here is a calculator is ready to ship. Look at this.
Thanks, Nick. Thanks for your answer. The last but not least, what is Durmapress machine warranty? Can you show us?
Okay, that's also a good question. And we have 24 hours always online, and we have many engineers always online ready to solve all your problems.